Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Thursday, May 21st, 2026. Hope you're doing well. All right, looking at, again on the NASDAQ here, folks, on the 5-minute chart, with the Heikin Ashi. What we can see here is at 9:30, we were ranging. And again, I like to wait the first 10 to 15 minutes before I take a trade as we watch that price action. So from 9:30 to 9:40, I typically like to let price happen, and then from there look for those opportunities. And what we were seeing today, and then we had 9:45 news. So what we saw today, though, was a lot of back and forth the first 15, 20 minutes. And so what I told everyone in the WealthCharts live training room was we're going to look for shorter term scalping opportunities today because that's what it seems like the market wants to do. And as you can see, the way it kind of played out the rest of the morning so far at the time of this video, we're ranging like crazy back and forth, right? And so what I did today, folks, was let me bring it up here for you. And so one of the strategies I like to do is use the 1 minute Heikin-Ashi, and then when it gives me an opportunity, then look for the Renko. Okay, and I use a 5-point Renko here. So what you're seeing is a 5-point Renko. And so if I look and show you here, this is roughly at 10, 10, 10. Okay, I had an entry long here based on that criteria, based on my indicators as a scalp. And I mentioned today that I was looking to get in and out within 30 seconds, more than likely, and both trades were less than 30 seconds. Here I grabbed 30 quick ticks, folks. Okay, then we ended up heading lower. You can see with the Renko here, the nice downtrend overall, right? And so once we ended up having a retracement back in the direction of the trend. So I talk about that all the time with the Heikin-Ashi. Same thing with the Renko here, the 5-point Renko. Took another really nice short here. So I took one long and one short this morning during an overall rangy market, okay, following the scalping method I like to use. So if you're interested, folks, come join me again tomorrow, Friday morning at 9:30 Eastern in the WealthCharts live training room, and we'll do it all over again. All right, folks, have a great day. Take care.